Hi, this is Six String Steve. Welcome to my channel. Quite breezy here today. Supposed to get a little bit of rain in a couple hours maybe. You can see to the north, that's where the rain is now. Been a little bit partly cloudy, overcast all day today, as you can tell. But we really like this spot. Really nice area. Love hearing the trees, the wind through the trees. The whispering pines. Pretty awesome. Thought I heard thunder. It's very dark out here. You can barely see the sunset over there, what's left of it, because the rest of this we got cloud cover over about 80% of the sky, but we got a little storm action going on. Very, very small thunderstorm rolling right by us here, as you can see. Let's listen to this thunder. Trying not to stand too close to trees, but I am kind of by one right here, so that's not good. So if I get zapped, I will have, well, if I survive it, I'll have gotten zapped doing what I love doing, or even if I don't survive it. So, just a little thunder shower. I wouldn't even call it a storm. It's like pretty weak. Whoa, oh great. Of course when you, at least when I do, turn away for a few seconds and point the camera somewhere else, I miss the lightning. See if we can catch some more here. Thunder sounds really cool because of the mountains and valleys around here. Has a totally different sound than what I'm used to hearing back in Oklahoma. Now, the most wicked thunder and lightning that I've experienced was in Florida. That was some crazy stuff. Just the sound of it. Man, I wish I could show you how it looks here right now. This looks really cool. Just this camera will not pick up in low lit situations. But the trees, the silhouette of all the pine trees, and it's really calm and still right now. There's just a very, very light breeze. We had some very high winds all day long. 20 to 30 mile per hour winds, and gusts probably, over 40 miles per hour, close to 50. But right now it's just really nice. But it's going to get cold tonight, about 30, probably mid to upper 30s, I think is what they showed. Maybe even colder than that. Maybe, I think I think it was Weather Channel showed 32 degrees for the low overnight. Let's try to get one more lightning flash here. Come on. Okay, that's good enough. It's moving off to the east, and it's a little bit north of us here, so it's not gonna come our way. So, let's see if we can get one more. Just one more lightning. That one was weak. I was hoping to get some nice lightning bolts streaking across the sky, but doesn't look like it's going to happen. Starting to feel a few raindrops. So, yeah. Almost sounded like hail. I think it's just big raindrops. Alright, well, that's all for Steve's evening weather show. Hope y'all enjoyed the excitement here. I know I did. See ya in the next video.